Hello first grade, this is Miss Vaughn. I am going to show you guys how to draw a Statue of Liberty portrait, or a portrait inspired by the Statue of Liberty. So we're going to be doing the portrait on green paper because, as your teacher told you, the Statue of Liberty is made of copper and is slowly turned green over time. And then next week we'll be putting it on some paper and then adding this entire thing. So today, you're gonna start with a green sheet of paper and a pencil, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is place this face tracer in the middle of your paper. You'll notice that it's a little bigger here and then it kind of rounds out a little smaller at the end. It's very important that you put the tracer in the middle of your paper and try to hold it down with your whole hand. Okay, if you just hold it with like one finger, it might move. So you're gonna trace it. Okay, and like I said, in the middle of your paper, you'll need room for the crown here and the rest here. I'm going to add ears, and the ears are usually about in the middle of the head. And then I'm going to create the first part of the crown right here. Now, I don't want a floating head, so go ahead and add a neck and add the shoulders as well, okay? So you don't want to be without clothing, so make sure you either draw a t-shirt line. You could even do like, maybe my shirt says USA. Maybe I wanted to add like a pearl necklace, whatever you would like to add. So now let's focus on the top. We're gonna make ourselves into a unicorn and do one big spike right in the middle. Now, in the video, they told you there are 7 spikes on Lady Liberty's crown, representing the 7 continents. So if I have 1 here, I just need 6 more, which divided by 2 is 3 on each side. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Also, you could go ahead and add just lines for the windows that are here, or maybe you want to draw gems because the windows actually represent the gemstones of the world. Now, as far as the face, this is where you're going to personalize it and turn it into you. Okay, so maybe you have like a boy, maybe you have spiky hair like that, or maybe you wanted as a girl to draw like swooped bangs and your hair could come down on the side like my sample. So turn it into you. As far as the eyes, you can make any kind of eyes you want. Our eyes are actually pretty almond shape, if that's what kind of eyes you want. More realistic. Maybe you also want cartoon eyes. I'm gonna add some eyelids and go ahead and add the eyeball, the pupil and iris. Okay, a nose, I'm just gonna do like a little curved U or L, and then a face. Okay, just like that. That's how you're gonna do your face. Take the time to, make it look like you. I'm gonna add eyebrows and even just a few eyelashes because that's realistic, right? When you're done, you're gonna trace everything with Sharpie. So take your time because tracing with Sharpie takes a little bit of patience. Let's say that I was tracing and I kind of got off the line a little bit. You can grab an eraser and go ahead and just erase that section when you're all done. We're eventually going to be cutting this out and adding it to a bigger work of art. So take your time to make it look really nice. This is a portrait that looks like you, okay? So trace everything. When you're done, okay, your teacher will need to check it just to make sure that you did all the things like that. Okay, so I'm not gonna have you sit here and watch me trace the whole thing, but that's what you do, okay? I'll see you guys later, bye.